Safety.
Food for healthy organs with Charu.
Doctor, can you tell me healthy food choices for a lifetime of good health?
I'm so glad you're interested to know, Charamati. Let's start with your eyes. Foods for healthy organs. Eyes. Carrots, citrus fruits, and almonds support eye health and keep them bright and sharp. Blink the eyes often to keep them wet and clean. Hair. Eggs, broccoli, peanuts, and dates make the hair thick and shiny. Use mild shampoo to wash the hair and comb it gently. Skin. Spinach, citrus fruits, and avocados protect the skin from damage and keep it healthy and radiant. Keep the skin clean by washing the face and body with mild soap and water. Teeth. Cheese, eggs, and mushrooms make the teeth strong and protected. Brush the teeth twice a day to make them strong and bright. Bones. Milk, greens, and tofu make the bones strong and sturdy. Play, walk, climb stairs, and run happily to help build strong bones. Nails. Sweet potatoes, almonds, and sunflower seeds make the nails healthy and smooth. Wash hands often. Trim nails regularly and do not bite them.
Wow, that's a lot of food choices, Doctor. Okay, Doctor, I will surely develop healthy eating habits for my internal and external organs to work well.